To work out the volume of this shape, what I would do is I would find what the area of this quarter circle is and then multiply it by how deep the shape is. So we'll have to go with the area formula, okay? So the surface, or the area of this end is going to be pi r squared, but it's not a full circle, it's a quarter circle. So we'll divide it by 4, okay? And so that will be pi times 15 squared, all divided by 4, which should give you 176.7 squared centimetres. Now that's not the answer, that's the area of this. Once you've found the area of this end, if you just times it by the length of the shape, you'll get the volume. So the volume will be 176.7 multiplied by 32, which will be 5,654.9 cubic centimetres.